How I made AI-generated image integrated into a fantasy world with VFX. Generate the desired image using your preferred AI tool. Open Photoshop and precisely cut out each image separately, saving them in transparent PNG format. Import the images into the media pool, drag the images into the timeline, arranging them to create the desired sequence. Ensure a seamless integration by placing the background scene as the bottom layer and adding additional object layers above it. Adjust the scale and position of the background layer. Complete your scene by incorporating any remaining objects. Once your main frame is complete, adjust the timeline duration to your preference. I work with a 12-second timeline. To make more convenient, I'm adding cloud effects, which can be sourced from freely available open sources. For black background, change composite mode to screen. Position the cloud layer above the main scene, adjusting its scale and position as necessary. If the cloud movement appears too fast, reduce its speed by 50%. Now it's time to add some UFO in the scene. Change composite mode to screen. Place at the top and resize it. Go to Fusion tab, hit Shift plus space, type Delta key and add in between. Pick Eyedropper tool and select the green screen, fine-tune the key settings, such as soft range, erode, blur, threshold, and matte adjustments, to achieve a seamless integration. Go to Edit tab. Add key animation in the first frame and go to last frame, add key and adjust position and scale. Drag the UFO layer and place it to above the main background, Sci-fi, layer. Adjust the UFO layers to appear behind foreground elements, such as towers and temples, for a realistic effect. Next, green screen UFO, do same as previous one. Do some key animation at the first and last frame. Place UFO layer underneath the cloud layer. Go to Color tab, hit Alt+S to add serial node. Change UFO color to similar as background scene. If you want more UFO or any object, you can add by repeating the same process. Now our scene is done except the talent. Drag the talent footage into timeline, go to Fusion tab. Hit Shift plus space, type Magic Mask and add. Select the talent around by Eyedropper tool. change faster to better induce a matte adjustment. If you want more depth about Magic Mask, watch my previous video. Fine-tune threshold, gamma and erode/dilate. And hit track forward. Arrange the talent layer below the cloud layer, disable above layers while color correction the talent, go to Color tab. Color corrects the talent footage to match the background scene. Enable above layers, add adjustment clips above the layers to fine-tune the overall color grading of the scene according to your preferences.